Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Cultural, musical and media icons treated like royalty at the Reggae Gold Awards ceremony. The epic gathering, which some attendees dubbed the Reggae Grammys, was held last night at the National Indoor Sports Centre and served to celebrate icons, individuals and groups who have contributed to the development of Jamaican music over the years. The star-studded affair, which was put on by the Ministry of Culture and Entertainment, was filled with the requisite pomp and splendor as the first inductees into the Jamaican Music Industry Hall of Fame were announced. Former Prime Minister of Jamaica, Edward Siaka, was the first of 20 to be awarded.
I like it very much for more than one reason. Although February has become Reggae Month, it didn't seem to have a very heavy, sharp finish. It was just sort of flat. And after Bob's birthday, then, you know, it flattens out. So this has come at the right time to give the whole thing a good boost. And I want reggae music to continue to get that boost.
Other inductees include artists Jai Youth, Uroy, Bob Andy, VP Records, Randy and Pat Chin, and Byron Lee, among others. Reggae Gold awardee Marcia Griffiths showed that she can still get the crowd on their feet with her performance of her 1983 hit song Electric Boogie, while recognizing the song's writer and fellow awardee Bunny Wailer. Selection committee member Donna Hope outlined that selecting the awards was a challenging process.
It was a bit challenging for us, quite challenging actually, to whittle down the list of awardees for tonight, particularly because we are using reggae as a political category. So we're looking at reggae and dancehall from 1960 to 2018, but also because of the range of people who have contributed to the development of Jamaican music over these decades, over these 5 decades. And so what we had to do an interconnected process, which is why we have different categories of awardees.
The occasion also served to present Minister Olivia Bamsey-Grange with the official document declaring the inscription of reggae as an intangible cultural heritage, given by Assistant Director General for Culture at UNESCO, Ernesto Ramirez, who received a cultural gift in return. Minister Olivia Bamsey-Grange outlined future plans for the Reggae Gold Awards.
Tonight is just the start of a journey when we will recognize others. Come International Reggae Day, July 1, we will recognize a number of other of our artists or songwriters or musicians and those who have provided services within the industry. And during Heritage Week, we will present other awards to a number of other musicians, artists, singers, songwriters, to let them know that we appreciate them, we love them, and we thank them for giving us this wonderful genre we call reggae, in addition to all the other genres that we have given the world.
And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.